All right, now our house needs a ceiling in it. And as far as structurally, I think after we get through with the ceiling, we'll have the house pretty much complete. The only thing we have to do is go back and do electrical, plumbing, and HVAC and stuff. But for all intents and purposes of this video series, we're just really learning how to design a structure. And so we'll put all that other stuff on some other video series. But right now, I'm going to put the ceiling in. And it is, too easy. So go to the Architecture tab and click on Ceiling. Now, of course, loaded in by default is a compound ceiling 2 foot by 4 foot acoustic tile system. Okay, acoustic ceiling tiles. That's what we put in commercial projects. We don't do that in homes necessarily. So we have to change this. We have to go to Edit Type. Okay, and we're going to duplicate this. And we're just going to call it 5/8 inch drywall ceiling. Okay, I say 5/8 inch because I'm going to use a fire retardant type of drywall, a little bit higher fire rating than regular drywall, and it's a little bit thicker, just a tad. Click OK, and I'm going to go in and edit the structure. Okay, so I'm going to change the finish to, actually I'm going to change all of it, because I'm going to have, there's going to be ceiling joist that this drywall is going to attach to. So all I'm really going to have is drywall. I'm not going to have really a structure to it, but I'm going to keep the structure layer because I have to. Revit makes me do that. But I'm going to keep the structure layer. Right now it says 1 inch and 5/8. I'm going to actually just take the inch off of that. Then I'm going to click on the material column, change the material to gypsum wallboard. Gypsum wallboard right there. Okay, and that's all we need to do to that. Click OK, and click OK. Now we just need to go around and select everywhere we want this particular ceiling to be. And let's see. Click in every. Now you'll get this warning down here. It says none of the created elements are visible. Just ignore it. And just keep clicking around till you cover all of your rooms. And yes, you might end up skipping one or two. Make sure you get your closets and your hallways. I think I got that one. I think I got that. And of course, now you're done, and you can go in and inspect to make sure you got that. And I'll show you another way of hiding things when we do that. So I'm going to go to my 3D view. I'm going to click on my roof. I'm going to temporarily hide it by going to the little status bar down here, clicking on these eyeglasses, temporary hide, isolate, and I want to hide element. And now I can go and look to make sure I got ceiling everywhere, and I did. If I didn't have ceiling everywhere, then I would see some of my walls sticking up and what have you. So we've got ceiling everywhere. We're good to go. I can reset this and get my roof back. And there we are. So this house is pretty much coming to completion. There's one thing I want to show you guys. That's how to kind of do double floors. Of course, you can add a double floor to this house if you want to, or a section of the house. You'll have to go back and redo the roof. And I think for this purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a detached garage with a second floor apartment on it. And that will be in the next video.